Hey everybody, it's Kareem from BigBellaDonna.com. Welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a crochet review, the promise review on this look, this hair. Today's review is another collab with DevaTress.com. I want to thank them so much for sending me some more hair that I could try out, give my honest opinion. Let's get right into the review. So I am wearing Afri Naturals Caribbean line. I am wearing the beach curl, okay? I did something rare where I didn't keep a strand out, so oh, please forgive me. And in this moment, I want to do this. I have to correct myself because I was calling it the Faux Remy Caribbean. In other videos, you'll see me saying this is the Faux Remy line. Just know I was a baby blogger. I was a baby vlogger starting out with crochet reviews, so you know, we corrected ourselves. We're good now. We're all good? All right, we're gonna move on. So how do I feel about this hair? I will give you the rating right off the bat. So in my 5 latch hook rating system, with 1 being poor and 5 being the absolute best, I give the Caribbean Beach Curl 3 latch hooks up. So you see that's right in the middle. Let me tell you what I love about this. And this will be all kind of in the 3 categories that I rate on. And if you watch my videos, you know I rate on texture, wearability, and versatility. So I'm gonna throw them all in together. This is a very soft textured hair, which I love about that. When I opened up the packages, you know, I was feeling for the texture. Was it coarse? Was it soft? It was definitely soft. I opened up both packages because both styles, or both colors, I'll say. I got 3 1Bs and 2 1B30s. And sometimes hair that has color in it really can feel or perform a little different than the hair that's just the solid colors. So this is 5 packs of hair, okay? In that, it doesn't feel like 5 packs of hair, and I didn't just get used to it. It didn't feel like 5 packs of hair when I initially put it in. So I was really happy that it was easy wearability. Versatility, I think you can have fun with this hair. This is the first time I really think this hair would so look nice with micro braids, individual or crochet. But I really can see this hair being used for micro braids, mini braids, whatever, very skinny braids. I know that that's something this hair is probably used for quite a bit. Depending on the length, you can wear it up, down, side to side, all the ways you want to wear it. Let me get into my least favorite things about this hair.
You're going to have to use the right amount of product in order to keep this hair looking good. With the tangling, the matting, and the frizzing, you're going to want to really maintain it. These are things that are usually downers for me and make me not want to use the hair again. But once I learned how to deal with it, it worked out.
So overall, I think you'll like this hair if you like the curl pattern, because again, that's something that's going to draw you to it. So I could totally see myself on the beach wearing this beach curl, drinking a nice tropical drink, you know, watching the waves roll in. I can understand why it's called beach curl for sure. Ultimately, it's going to come down to how you wear it and how you maintain it, and that will determine how the hair performs for you. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope this has been helpful for you. Thanks again to DevaTress.com for sending me the hair to review. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time.